This video will show you 5 hidden One UI 8.5 features every Samsung user should know 2026. These useful Samsung features can help you multitask faster, improve battery life, take screenshots more easily, and make everyday tasks much more convenient. Follow the steps below to enable and use each feature. Feature 1. Dual Messenger. To start, unlock your Samsung phone and head into the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Once inside, gently scroll down until you find Advanced Features, then tap on it. Now look for the Dual Messenger option and open it. You will see a list of supported apps installed on your device. Simply toggle on the app you want to duplicate, like WhatsApp or Messenger. A prompt will appear. Tap Install, then confirm it. After a few seconds, a second version of the app will appear, ready for another account. Feature 2. Circle to search. Begin by opening Settings again, then move into the Display section. From there, scroll a bit until you reach Navigation Bar Settings. Turn on Circle to search if it's not already enabled. Now, whenever you're using your phone, just press and hold the home button or gesture bar. Your screen will slightly blur, and you can circle anything you see, text, images, or videos to search instantly. Results appear at the bottom for quick access. Feature 3. Protect battery, 80 to 95% limit. Open the Settings app and gently scroll down until you reach Battery and Device Care, or simply Battery, depending on your version. Tap into it and find Battery Protection. Switch it on, then select the Maximum Protection mode. After that, adjust the charging limit anywhere between 80% and 95%. This helps your phone avoid full charging stress and improves long-term battery health. Feature 4. Edge Panels. From the main settings page, swipe down slightly and tap Display Settings. Now scroll carefully until you see Edge Panels and enable the toggle. A small handle will appear on the side of your screen. Swipe it inward anytime to open shortcuts for apps, tools, or contacts. You can swipe left or right inside the panel to explore more options. Feature 5. Palm Swipe Screenshot. Open Settings once again and move into Advanced Features. From there, tap Motions and Gestures instead of scrolling fast. Turn on Palm Swipe to capture. Now place the side of your hand on either edge of the screen and swipe across smoothly. Your phone will instantly capture a screenshot without pressing any buttons. If you found this video helpful and it worked for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more useful Samsung tips and hidden features. It really helps support the channel and keeps you updated with more easy guides like this.